Hey there guys, thanks for coming back to my channel and checking out another product review. What type of product review are we going to have tonight? Well, this is going to be another edition of an unboxing video of Gangboxed. Stay tuned. Welcome back everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel and checking out another product review. I've been busy the last couple months banging these reviews out and having a fun time doing it, enjoying it, trying to get a little bit more peppiness, but I just like to be calm, cool, collective, I've gotten quite a few DMs saying, hey, I like your channel because, you're the calm, cool guy, you don't go all crazy, which I personally think I need to get a little bit of craziness in the videos anyway. Some of them, not all of them. But anyway, enough about me. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you want to get up to date on future videos, make sure you hit that little notification bell too. This video is going to be an unboxing of Gangboxed this month. And this is the construction box. Haven't opened it, just like the last one. I haven't opened it. So let's get right to it. For sake of the video, I went ahead and took a knife already and sliced down it. That way I can just pop it right open. And here we go, guys. Let's see. What we got in there? Oh, bag. Let's see. Remember, this is the construction box, so it's probably most likely going to be something constructive. What? Construction. I can't talk. The law. So we got first, got a nice little lunch box. If you guys can see that, I need to get a wider angle camera. Of course. Oh wow, check that out. Of course, every construction worker needs a cooler like this to hold his beer in. Or no, his pop, I'm sorry. But it's lined with the silver lining, keep everything cool. Awesome. Great touch, and it's got a little plastic thing up here you can put your name tag in. Very cool. Alright, next on the list, got a coupon. Got a coupon for Hyde Signature Series. It's a pre-workout drink. That's always nice. We got a Mr. Hyde Signature Series pre-workout intense, sustained energy, focus and pumps for peak performance. It's blue raz popsicle flavor. I'm assuming this is a mix for a drink, a bottle of water or something, because every construction site's gonna have water, obviously. Nice touch. I like that too. I'll definitely use that at work. Okay, a little bit of PPE, safety glasses, and I'm actually still using the ones from the last box. Let's see if these are any different. The other ones had like the kind of like the thick siding on it, which are really comfortable. And I can tell now that these are a different pair. And these are ANSI ISEA, let's see, high impact compliant, military ballistic, all lenses filter 99.9% of UVA, UVB, and UVC rays. So that's good. That's awesome. Yeah, it's got the rubber backing. The last pair I got, it was all plastic and it had a thick bar, right? Not a thick bar, but you know what I mean, a thick piece right here. Check them out. Get the fit test. Oh yeah, superstar. Yeah. Sorry guys. Very nice. Very nice. All right. And of course, any construction guy has to have a little crowbar type. And I don't have one of these in my toolbox. It's a shame to say that, but of course, everybody knows what that's used for. It's metal. It's 7.5 inches, 190 millimeters. Alright. And last, oh, wait a minute, not last. What we got here? Something I've been wanting to get for a while. I just didn't really, pull the trigger on the purchase, but now I don't have to. A little credit card knife. Interested to see how these actually work. Let's see. So there's the credit card knife in its glory before you fold it out. And I'm assuming, let's see, this is locked. You twist that. Okay. And you see how thin it is? You flip that up. You flip that side over. I think I'm doing this right, guys. Let's see. I'm having trouble. Alright, you flip that side over, and you flip the other side over, and there you go. You have yourself a little knife. And the sharpness test, that's pretty damn sharp. Let's see. You guys can pick up on that. That's a sharp damn knife. Hell yeah. And then to unfold it, you just take it all apart, and this little safety thing up here, it's got the lock on it. I don't know if you guys could see that. See where it says lock? You just twist that so the blade doesn't flip out. Very cool. Now I don't have to buy one. Awesome. And the last thing in the box is Protect and Moisturize Workman Friends Superior Barrier Skin Cream. Apply first, get to work, and wipe clean. Okay. I've never seen this before. This is new. You guys can see that. So basically, you put this on your hands before you start work or doing whatever to get your hands dirty. Put a good layer on your hands. You go to work, get your hands dirty, whatever. And it's supposed to wipe clean afterwards. That's what it says on the... So you guys can see that. It's the first time that I've seen this. So I definitely have to do an update video, let you guys know how this stuff works. Very cool. And can't forget the sticker, of course. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. If you don't know what Gangboxed is, I'll leave all the links in the description box below. Kind of basically what it is it's a box for workers, construction workers, made by construction workers. It's gives you a PPE in every box. I forgot to mention in my first video of Gangboxed, if you go to order and if you use the promo code FREET, all caps, you'll get a t-shirt with your order, and the box is $30 a month, and I would say it's a pretty good deal considering stuff like this you see on the shelves. I would say this would probably 15, 20 bucks for just this. I know this crowbar, even though it's a small crowbar, that's probably 15, 20 bucks right there. And the safety glasses, they're ANSI approved. It blocks harmful rays to your eyes. It's all legit stuff. So I mean, 30 bucks a month, that's not bad at all. You get some good stuff in these boxes. Like I said, on your first order, use the promo FREET to get yourself a free t-shirt, and I think it's definitely worth giving it a shot, see if you like it. Thank you guys for sticking around for another product review. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit me up in the comments section, see what you guys would like me to do in future videos, what kind of products you guys want to see. Until then guys, peace.